Hey guys, so right now you guys, the hydrant went out and I was in the middle of cooking something, but no! Oh, it's so annoying sometimes. I was actually putting something in the microwave and then the hydrant went out. It's like, ah! Okay, so I decided to have some pickles. Yes, I decided to have some pickles. For lunch. I know it's not that healthy, but other things I might have to eat. I don't have anything else because most of my stuff I need to use the stove, and I can't use the stove, which sucks. But that's okay. What other things can we use? What other things can we? That's for a video. These two things. There's a lot of things that I'm coming up with a lot of ideas for YouTube, you guys. I prepare my videos a little bit. And I also have to edit that video. So, that's what's going on. So I'm just getting my pickles. Yeah, getting my pickles.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
I love my pickles, you guys. Your pickles are good. Especially Bix pickles are really good. I can't pronounce the name. I can't even look it up either. So good. So good, you guys. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading out to work, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when we go to work, when we're at work. Walking down the hallway with the emergency lights on. Yeah, that's what we do. So right now, you guys, I'm just at work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. So right now, you guys, I'm just got done work, so I'm just heading home, so I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are making some scalloped potatoes. Yeah, we are gonna make some scalloped potatoes, you guys. It's gonna be so good. I love scalloped potatoes. So I'll talk to you guys when we're making scalloped potatoes. Potatoes are doing. Scalloped potatoes are doing. Ooh, that looks so good, you guys. Look at that, you guys. It looks so good. So I'm getting to today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.